Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page. And I have to repeat that sentence one more time because what if the people are not aware of what exactly this session is all about, right? So that is why I'm just repeating. And I already said that each crime has to be addressed and identified so that way the root cause analysis and the risk mitigation process can also be provided in an excellent, affordable, um, um, measurable, traceable process, right? So, yes, this particular civil justice sign off is for myself, and I am Vedapriya, and I am pro se, and I am true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil supreme judge, and I am signing the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. And that too in front of all nations and in front of 7.9 plus billions of humans means I am providing excellent, healthiest, humane standards of civil justice for myself, right? And yes, I sure will get civil justice for all nations and all broken governments worldwide accordingly later. Okay, it is also multitasking I'm providing. I hope we are all on the same page on that regard as well. Okay, so I will continue the civil justice sign off for myself. For I, where the pro se proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. So I am that I am, where the pro se native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So, the scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide as in Republica ISIS. You all might have heard about the word ISIS. Yes, I'm going to explain that as well because I was the only one in whole entire human kingdom who stood up and educated what is ISIS. Until then, for USA and all the people were freaking out at the sound of ISIS, okay? And I just said, oh, well, come on, my fellow mankind, do not get freaked out. This is what this ISIS means. And then all the fear about the word ISIS went away from all the population worldwide. See, that is why always the voices will only guide the, provide the wisdom education. Okay, so I will just keep continuing with the civil justice because I do not want to delay there is long list of civil justice to be provided. Okay, that's why I'm going fast and making short, like less than 10 minutes time frame. Okay, so the Republica ISIS means what? ISIS is a shortest form for Iraq Syria Government of Islam Judaism. That is what it means. ISIS means what? One more time, it is the Iraq Syria Government of Islam Judaism. So they never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prozia, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. And it is a fatal negligence of Republica ISIS is Iraq Syria government of Islam Judaism, and it is crime for Republica ISIS is Iraq Syria government of Islam Judaism to be fatal negligence and for hiding the truth of fake Israel to fool you as a nation forever. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica ISIS is Iraq Syria government of Islam Judaism, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica ISIS is Iraq Syria government of Islam Judaism. Okay, so what is then the extended civil justice sign off for United States of America provided enforced poverty on me. I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. Okay, so the Republica ISIS is Iraq Syria government of Islam Judaism with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, then Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro se abruptly on October 2018 and Republican Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th of 2021. So financed and also enforced mandated finance disability to I. So it was a triumph for Republica ISIS, Iraq Syria government of Islam Judaism when ruling USA. Never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Pro Se. So the civil justice sign off is I Vedapriya Pro Se want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off, and Citibank CEO must should sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And each Republica, as in ISIS, is Iraq or Iraq, Syria government of Islam Judaism must should sign off tax-free $1 billion and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I Vedapriya Pro Se displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs, I Vedapriya Pro Se for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines, I Vedapriya Pro Se want USA to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is a civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Pro Se to become Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Pro Se becomes Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Pro Se becomes Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Pro Se to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health and Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Fair Trade Processing, Department of Military, in all nations across the globe in civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Pro Se to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, and I must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is a civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on the civil justice sign off. It is an excellent civil justice sign off process as according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. Okay, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.